Welcome to Network Key. How to access Web Manager for Arris Surfboard SB6190. An admin login is available to access the Web Manager on firmware version 9.1.103AA65L and newer. It is required to log in with the default admin login credentials, and the default admin password must be changed during first-time access. The default admin username is admin and admin password is password. First, launch a web browser, such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari. Enter http://192.168.100.1 into the address box. The login page will appear. Second, on the login page, enter admin in the username field, enter password in the password field, then click the apply button. The login setting page will appear. Third, enter password in the old password field, enter a new password in the new password field and re-enter the new password in the repeat new password field, click the apply button. The pop-up box will appear. Fourth, click the OK button. The login page will appear. Fifth, enter admin in the password field, enter the custom password in the password field, then click the apply button. The status page will appear. Note, the login settings and logout pages are available on firmware version 9.1.103AA65L and later. The statuses listed show the connection state of the cable modem. They are used by your service provider to evaluate the operation of the cable modem.